Good morning, guys. So it's like 10:30 right now and I've been trying to kind of get my room together. Honestly, getting this new camera has been really nice because it's made me more motivated to like film my everyday and stuff. So you can just like set it up so many places. Honestly, I can't even like explain how nice it is. I have literally no plan for today. I don't think I really have any schoolwork. I do have an AP test tomorrow, so I don't know, I'll probably just look over my notes and stuff, but I'm not super worried about it. I don't know, just kind of hang out. I want to edit my video from yesterday and hopefully try and post it. Hi, baby. Oh, hi. Do you want to go for a walk? We just got back from the walk and now I just think I'm just gonna hang out for a little bit. Nothing very exciting. Honestly, none of my days are that exciting, so I'm really just trying to stay in and not be like running meaningless errands or things like that, even though we are slowly opening back up. So a little update, I'm working on this watercolor right now, as you guys saw, and honestly it's hanging out. Today wasn't very exciting, but none of my days are. So I want to do kind of like a realistic and also pretty productive day, because there's definitely certain days where I'm lying in bed or just on YouTube or whatever for hours, so hopefully this isn't too boring. So I'm taking a little break from drawing, and now my mom and I are going to get gas and visit the cows that live near us. So hopefully they're close. We just got back home. Unfortunately, the cows were not out. I think it's probably because it was like raining, so usually we take shelter the bushes or the trees. I don't really know where they were. But now I'm probably gonna work on my painting. I don't know. I'm so bored. My elbow looks enormous right now. So this is super random, but I was going through my closet and I have this like little belt hanger, and I was basically just looking at all my belts and I was like, you know what, I should do a belt collection, which honestly like could be the most boring thing ever, but I think that I have a lot of really fun belts, and I'm gonna give you like a 3-second clip each of these belts and where I got them. This belt is from Goodwill and genuine leather apparently, which is actually kind of gross, but it just has this like cool kind of print on it. It's really nice. It's one of my favorite gold belts. Moving on is this super cool and like unique thin gold belt. I'm not really a fan of thin belts, but I think this is really fun, and just with like any gold outfit. This is probably one of my most boring ones. It just has these red stars on it, but I just think it's really cute. All right, this little one is like a little kid's belt that reminds me of Camp Rock or something, but it just has these like holographic stars, which is cool. This little buckle belt right here is super cute, and it came with a skirt that I got from Urban Outfitters. This white grommet belt is super fun. It's by the brand Mud, which I feel like they sell at Target, like jeans or whatever, and this was thrifted. Next, I have this really cute black grommet belt that is actually from Target, and it's really nice because it's one size fits all. This belt is just a nice basic silver one. It's not that exciting. It's thrifted. This is one of my favorite like sort of statement belts. It's super cute. It's like a little boy's belt. It is from Goodwill, and blue camo with the cool little clasp. I like. Next up is my fake off-white belt that I got from Amazon. I think off-white belts are cute. I don't really like the yellow black one, so I did get the white and black one. I think they're cute. I don't think they're worth any of the money that people actually spend on them. This is a really good dupe, and it was like $10. I got this Western style belt, and I think it's really cute, but it's a little bit cowboyish for me, and I just don't wear it a ton because this part's really thin. It just looks kind of weird with like the big buckle. This belt I feel like literally everybody has, but it's just a little circle belt from Brandy, and it's fun. It's silver. I think this is one of my best belt finds at Goodwill because it's just this really cool like gold chain. I don't know why, it just looks so fancy. Alright, and then this last belt is actually from eBay, and I just think it's so cute. It was only like $5, but it's just this really long diamond belt. Very fun little staple. I don't really know. It's not actually a staple at all. And of course, knowing me, I like to like rant about things that I think are important. So after seeing my belt collection, it is completely unnecessary and not at all like minimalist or sustainable, in the sense of, while yes, a lot of them are thrifted, I don't need that many belts. I probably wear 4 of them on a regular basis, and other than that, they're just very like unnecessary. All belts from Goodwill are $2, so it's not like I was spending a lot of money. It's just the fact that I didn't need them and I still purchased them because I liked them. I just feel like that I used to have the mentality of I can thrift as much as I want because I'm not supporting fast fashion, and so that's fine. But I'm really trying to get better about the idea that I don't need to buy clothes that I'm not going to wear, that are more statement pieces. And of course, I have a ton of cheetah print tops. I have a ton of things that like don't match everything, and that's fine. They make me really happy and I do wear them a ton, but I'm really just trying to take pieces that I will wear any day with almost any bottom that I have or any top that I have. Being conscious, that's really important, because even if you're thrifting, it's still not sustainable to be buying clothes all the time and new ones all the time that you're not gonna wear. That's my little 2 cents. And I've probably not bought a belt in like 6 months, so I'm trying, I'm doing the best that I can, but just food for thought, you know? It isn't that late, but I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I don't anticipate anything very exciting happening. I'm gonna eat dinner, watch an episode of Homeland, and then I'll probably go to bed. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, hopefully very, very soon.